Hey guys, how's it going? Ghosty Rich here today. Let's go over what I just picked up. Grabbed myself a new Milwaukee wireless soldering gun, which is pretty sick so far. We've been playing around a little bit with it. I ended up getting the charger from Summit Tools for like $3 for this, 34 bucks, and 89. Now, Americans are probably like, whoa, that's expensive. Well, this is Canadian. And I just wanted to say that because I know you can get a deal right now in the States for like $99 with a battery and charger. Well, if I were to do the conversion plus shipping and everything, it would have been about that. So, what do you get in that little package if you buy the tool only in Canada? Well, you get your soldering iron, you get yourself an extra tip, and then you get yourself some, and then afterwards you have to get yourself the battery, and then you get yourself your charger, and you're set to go. If you already have other Milwaukee products, you don't need a charger because if you have the bigger battery for, say, your drills and stuff, usually they have this off to the side if you look. One thing to note, the only reason why I bought the charger on the side is because if you have your pack on there and this, it'll charge whichever one you put in first. It won't do both at once. So once it's charged up and ready to go, you'll just literally grab it, and you can set it to the angle that you want. And you have to push that button in so you can set it. So you can set it like this. So that way when you're done soldering, you can put it like that. Or if you want to hold it like this, and then you can put your wire on there and solder it. After you have it set to the angle that you want, which for me, I'm gonna put it right here. Then you just slide it up. And you're gonna see, after you slide this up, it starts blinking. That means that it's currently warming up. Once that goes steady, that means it's fully heated. Takes about 15 seconds from what I've heard. And bam, you're already heated up. Now you can actually go up and start doing your soldering. Now, another cool feature it has. So you turn it off. This red light will stay on for as long as that tip is hot, so you know when to put it down and put it away. Other cool thing to note, it has an LED, so if you're soldering under dashes or in dark places, you have an LED light. So let's see how good it does these joints. We got a little LED. He's just gonna tin a little bit on the tip. Waiting for it to heat up. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Butter.
Just looking at the joints there, you can see it's heating up enough, it's getting everything good enough. I really can't complain. I mean, for the money that you spend on it, for it being wireless, that's a really good option. It's good for if you're at a job site and sometimes you need to make a couple solder joints or anything like that. I'd rate it a good 10 out of 10 just because of the fact of how it heats up. It's not heavy. If you use that small little battery, it's really not that heavy. And for me personally, I'd rather use that than, say, a butane one, because I've had some bad luck with them, but again, it's all about personal preference. I think that's really cool. Keep a couple batteries, keep that handy, and then you can solder all day. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Have a great day.